The Surgera solution is really the first product that's been able to achieve the 99.99% read accuracy. Think about the error-proofing process. The truck backs into the dock. We know what's on the truck. We know what's in the containers that are on the truck. Having that license plate, which is the RFID, and having the part associated with that license plate makes it move through that whole process faster. Every time a container comes across the dock door, goes through the portal, and they say, we got that, we've got that, we've got that. Now somebody has to take ownership of it. The design of the dashboards are telling you at a macro level everything's running okay, or the micro level of, is the task that I'm responsible for happening the way I designed it? That's where that connected data feed says, I'm picking up this part in this container and I know where it goes. And having the handheld, the operator can scan the part and say, okay, I know I have that part, that's what I'm supposed to have, and I know where it goes, is really big for them. The amount of data that's being generated tracking returnable containers really can extend far into the automotive supply chain. And quite honestly, any supply chain. So there's no loss in data, there's no translation issues. It's a seamless flow of material and a seamless flow of information.